What's up, guys? Nick here with Rodock Sales and Leasing, and you gotta check out this awesome 8x26 show stock trailer. It's a Wilson Foreman, and up front here we got the name sign porch light, and then we got the black nose, and this one is the slat-sided Wilsons. Up underneath here we have two full width belly vents. We have the 12K drop leg jack and the spare tire mount. Down the side here we went with the cattle style airflows. We got a row of 9 lights on each side on top, and then we got a porch light over this 50-inch side ramp. And this side ramp right here does have a stationary door behind it. We also upgraded the side ramp to have a rubber mat. We have two 8K axles on 17.5 Michelin tires with aluminum rims, and then we have tie rail on both sides, a foot up from the floor here towards the bottom. Each Wilson's going to come standard with a slam latch. And this rear door is a full swing with an outside slide. We have 2 load lights up top there, but we also have 2 stop turn tails in the rear header and an extra stop turn tails in the rear corner post to make 6. As we go inside here, we have the .110 flat floor, and then we have cross members every 9 inches. Then all the way down we have a tie rail just below the cattle style slats, and then we have 2 floating cut gates in this trailer, and both the floating cut gates are full swing with an inner slide. Then we'll go to the front here. So these are the new style rollers. They did this in late 2023. They got the gear style rollers on the track. We'll pull these 4 pins and you can see how easy this baby moves. There are 4 adjustments on each one of these rolling cut gates. And then we'll go to the front here. We have the 33-inch escape door on the driver's side, the drop-down nose gate, and then this trailer also has the winterized enclosures, the plexiglass, and then they got the storage up here in the nose for that. And then we have 4 pop-up roof vents and 3 interior lights, basically 1 in each compartment. And that is everything for this trailer. If you got any questions, give us a holler here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.